So the same things I just create over here one circle. Okay, the basic circle I explain over here the step by step are the basic things. Uh, yeah. So this is the main circle. This is the pelvis. Torso is just that much you can see. This is the torso. Okay, like this. And here I just first share this the okay, here the head. So from here the same things if you are see over here back side, so you can this is a two leg, okay, and in front side if you do here the two leg. So see over here, so you can see this both leg, this leg more. So just what you draw first here, the leg position is like this, the leg one two, here also one, okay, like this one, okay, two. See like this, the leg flow, the bone setup. What is the bones flow? Okay, so here, okay, so here also two the same, no, like this is the pelvis, the hip bone, this is the shoulder bone. So from shoulder bone you can make it the same thing like this, okay, like this. So if I make it one perspective line like this, see this is the one line, this is another line. So this leg is a back, this leg is a front. So you can draw like this. But this leg is not that much visible. Okay. Okay, like this. So I explained about here step 1, step 2, step 3, then it's very easy. Okay, step over. Okay, this is for the head is like this. The body first, step 1 is this is the head. Step on a circle. Step 2, after the circle you make this one circle over here and one circle over here. This circle is small, this circle is a big. Step 1, step 2 is the head. Okay. Step 2, step 3, head, pelvis, torso. Here you can make this 2 point for the for the leg. Okay. So this point, make the 2 point, and from this point you can creating this the flow like this. Okay, here the flow like this. So here I can share is more easy way, so you can understand properly over here. So when we are doing this animals, usually maximum people are doing the side view, but we are understanding the three angles how it looks. Okay, so let's start this one.